Hey guys, it's Nathan from the Kentucky Cycling YouTube channel. We are at the Howardstown boat ramp right outside of LaRue County, where we're gonna do a beginner-friendly gravel ride. Often you get asked about gravel rides that are close to Louisville and Lexington that are available in central Kentucky, and this is probably one of the most beginner-friendly routes that I can think of. Just over an hour from Louisville and maybe about an hour and a half from Lexington, close to Bardstown, to give you some idea about what part of the state we're in. This particular route is a beginner-friendly variant of a rolling fork LaRue County ride that we actually did a couple years ago. It's the first time that I've been out here since then. It's got to be one of the prettiest places to ride. Really, among most of the gravel we've done in the state, this is definitely one of our favorites. And this particular variant, rather than doing a lollipop, is going to be a 16-mile out and back, and it'll be sort of gently rolling hills, so nothing super strenuous, which is great for me because I'm coming off of shoulder surgery. This is my first ride back on the gravel anyway, and first ride on my new Capital custom bicycle, so really looking forward to it. All right, so we just come up Wade Ennis Road, and in the previous ride, we took a right here and went up a hill, climbs about 500 feet, and has about a 10% grade on it. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna keep it beginner friendly and just go left through this absolutely gorgeous river valley. Punchy little hill.
y'all having fun yet? Good. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, it's starting to go up, but I'm very good outside of it. Yep. We can afford it. We've been able to survive. If you and I had started maxing out a long time ago. Actually, a month into it. Going back to Nelson County. Town boat ramp, baby.
As always, we hope you found this content useful. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.